Hello and welcome to Business Law Day 2. I'm Eric, and let's break down how the Constitution affects business. Fast, simple, and clear. Why the Constitution? After the Revolutionary War, the Articles of Confederation created a weak national government. The Constitution replaced it with a stronger system, the federal system. The United States uses a federal system, where power is shared between the national government and the states. Federal versus state powers. The federal government has specific powers written in the Constitution. All other powers are reserved to the states, including police powers over health, safety, and welfare. Separation of powers. Government power is divided into three branches: legislative, executive, and judicial. Checks and balances. Each branch can limit the other. This system of checks and balances prevents abuse of power. Commerce Clause. The Commerce Clause gives Congress the power to regulate interstate commerce. Supremacy Clause. Under the Supremacy Clause, federal law overrides conflicting state laws. Bill of Rights. The Bill of Rights is the first 10 amendments to the Constitution. It protects individual freedoms and limits government power. Speech and religion. The First Amendment protects freedom of speech and religion, with reasonable limits. Due process and equal protection. The 14th Amendment guarantees due process and equal protection. Due process means fair laws and fair procedures. Equal protection means similar people must be treated the same. Privacy. Privacy is implied from multiple amendments and protected through court decisions and federal laws. That's Chapter 2. Fast and simple. Thank you for staying with me and learning new things today. I hope you tune in next time.